as you see, the light is not powerful. The LED light, small one, is not working. And when I click on the switch here, so I can hear the click, and I can't see this LED light blinking, but not powerful. The other light, big one, is good and no problem. So this one I bought, I installed it for 2 days ago. And also I bought one from you in the January. As you see here, this is working perfect. I don't have any problem with it. As you see, look, the light is working without any problem. Nice and working perfect. But the other one doesn't look good. I don't know, maybe it's the driver or something else, but please let me know what can I do and how can I fix it, because it's a lot of job to uninstall and don't find out what is the problem with it. So please let me know. Okay, thank you very much.